quiet of the morning light, where the dark gives way to something bright. I thought it ended, I thought it was done, but you were moving when I saw none. No sound, no sign, no rushing wind, just grace beginning again within. What felt like loss, what felt like the end, was only where you would begin. Not by what I see, but by what you've promised me. Something good is gonna happen. Even now I believe in the waiting, in the silence. You are working over me. Every broken piece is turning into something I can't see, but I know I can feel it. Something good is gonna happen to me. You don't rush what you restore, you don't force an open door, but in the stillness life appears. Right in the middle of my fears, would I release you, hold with care, and bring it back in ways so rare? Not like before, but something new, a deeper life that comes from you. Not in my control, but you are in it all. Something good is gonna happen. Even now I believe in the waiting, in the silence. You are working over me. Every broken piece is turning into something I can't see, but I know I can feel it. Something good is gonna happen to me. I don't have to understand, I just place it in your hands. Even here in the unknown, I am never on my own. Something good is gonna happen. I can feel it deep inside. Through the questions and the healing, you are bringing me to life. What was buried now is rising. What was lost is being found, and I know it, I can feel it. Something good is happening.